everyone, I'm Anita and welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy to see you here. So today, as you read by the title, is a spring look video. So this is what I'm creating today and teaching you how to do. But during all that process, I'm actually talking about a new brand that I discovered. So this is called Mesauda, as like written here. But I hadn't tried Mesauda like never until like a month ago when I bought a whole range of Mesauda things and started really discovering the brand and seeing like what's really in there, because I've seen so many professionals using this brand, and here I am making the video telling you what I like, what I don't like, and if I like the product then really tell you what I like about the product. And also teach you a spring look. So before you leave, please subscribe and let's get right into the tutorial. So I got all my Mesauda products from Trade House. I haven't really seen any other place in Estonia selling this company. The first product I'm gonna use is primer, and this is a perfect skin primer. So this is like a silicone primer, and if your skin is as dry as mine, then just put a little bit more of it, and I just see that the more you put it on, the more it actually does its job. The interesting thing about this is that it has some cooling effect. First you put it on, you feel like, wow, did I just spray on a refreshing spray or what is this? It's really cooling, but really nice. Next up, of course, foundation, and this is Radiant Skin Foundation. Well, why I chose this one, of course Mesauda has different ones, but Radiant is the new thing right now. Especially in the springtime, Radiance is the way to go. Okay, the foundation is on. I finally feel like I'm not a ghost anymore. If you're looking for a new foundation right now, which is like right before summer, I personally think you can go like a few tones, a tone or two darker if you want to, because summer is coming and if you get the sunshine, you get your tan back, and then, you know, you need a darker foundation anyways. Next up, of course, we have concealer. This is a full coverage concealer. I really like this one actually. I'm just gonna put it on and you can see. It's really full coverage, like what is this even? The thing I like about this concealer is that it's full coverage, but it blends so freaking easily. I think the Maybelline Age Rewind is not blending that easily either. And I'm bringing it to my eyelids as well. So I'm like already priming these. Of course we have this set, and for that we have the Nude Skin Powder. It is toned a bit, and this is why I like it, because I don't know, in Estonia it's hard to find powders that are toned, that are not just, you know, white loose powder. Thumbs up for that. And I'm not gonna bake. I wanna keep it like light, you know. I use full coverage, of course, yes, but I feel like powder for dry skin just makes it even more dry and weird. So I'm just gonna take it a little bit and just apply it under my eyes at this like nose area that I wanna keep matte. Maybe chin, and just slightly like going on with the leftover on the brush. And that's really all. I don't use much powder at all. I want to go for the brows next, because this is what shapes our head and our face and what gives the life to our face. This is what I'm using, Mesauda Forever Brows. So what I do with my brows usually, I brush them through, not really like directly upwards, but just kind of in the direction, but a little bit upwards as well. Now I just take this and start slightly drawing. I just like slightly make the little hairs. First I do the lower part, yes, and then I just go right here and cover all the roots with the pencil. Then I have one like space where I don't have brow hair, but I like should have, and then I'm just gonna apply some here too. I take the brush again and brush through the same way I did at first. This just makes the color blend. And I really think the trick of makeup is to use makeup but make it look like it's almost natural. That if like men look at you, then they're not sure like, okay, is it natural or is she wearing something? Of course, if you're wearing like eyeliner or eyeshadows, they can see, you know, this is not natural. Like you don't naturally have, I don't know, purple eyelids, but especially about brows and face, I want to give the illusion like it actually was natural. Next up, we have the Light and Bronze bronzer. This is not fully matte, but it has some shining. So I'm gonna take a brush like that. Just do a little bit. This is actually really pigmented. I've made this mistake before, like I take the same amount as I take with my other bronzers, and it's just too much. Like, be careful with this one. One trick I actually learned when a makeup artist was doing my makeup is to raise my cheeks a bit. So if I want to put like bronzer here, then I actually put it just like a millicentimeter above that, so it raises my face and like the illusion, you know? Oh, okay, see, this is what I'm talking about. Already took too much. So I even go a bit on the apples of my cheeks with the bronzer to blend it out there. Forehead, of course. Let's give us the damn look, baby. Okay. The little glow that it adds is so freaking pretty. And of course, here. Oh, next up, one of my freaking favorite things that I discovered. This blush, this color, oh my, so spring, so pigmented. If you know me, you know that I'm really scared to use too much blush. But with this one, if it even goes a little bit too much, it's actually really pretty. Like, literally, I could stop the look right here and you could already tell that it's a spring look because of this blush. But okay, I don't want to use the highlighter right away because let's leave the banger to the end of this video and let's go on with eyes. So for this spring eye makeup look, I'm actually not creating anything too hard. Just something that you can recreate really easily, and maybe you even already have these things. I have this duo right here. I'm actually not gonna use the black one, but just go for the white shimmery one. Just take it with a big brush, apply it all over the eyelid. What an easy makeup look. Just literally don't think of anything else, or actually you can think of anything because it's so easy to do. No way you can mess it up. So this is just to give some shine. And next up we have a liquid dip liner. Girl, actually no, I'm not going for this yet. But first we're gonna try out the mascara, the Stylist mascara. Well, I'm not gonna talk any further. I'm just gonna do one eye and let you see the comparison. So here we have it, one eye with the mascara, one without. Oh my god, the lower lashes though, how long are these? What the hell? Now, next up, my new discovery for the spring. This is totally spring, like I think I wouldn't use it in the winter time. So this is a shiny eyeliner. The liner tried down is actually shiny. And here you can literally improvise like how dark or how edgy you want to go. You can literally make the tiniest line, but you can also go really bold because the thickness of your eyeliner doesn't really change the spring vibe of it, but really shows your personality. This is what makeup is about. Oh my god, this is not only a makeup tutorial anymore, like this is a motivational talk. How to find yourself. Next up, a really freaking great discovery. And these are Mesauda pencils. So I have two different ones here. One is Forever Shadow and one is Aqua Coal. Girl, the pigmentation of these is just crazy. Look at that. So just one swipe and what is this? These are crazy pigmented. And look at this color. What? I love it. I'm gonna put this into the outer corner. Do the middle of the eye. And now for the golden. Go over the green one and then go a little bit more. But leave a few millimeters before the eye corner. So with a flat brush like that, which is already covered in green, because I've been doing this look for the past few weeks, I'm literally so obsessed. You just take a flat brush like that and you start blending. You blend these two colors together first, and then you blend this out right under the liner. And here you can see the shiny effect of the eyeliner. It's really pretty. And just like brush it away and literally look how much accent it gives to my eyes. You can literally do something so simple, but it looks so cool. Okay, now quickly back to the mascara and let's cover our lower lashes once again with the mascara. If you want, you can put the second coat to the upper lashes as well. Let's do our lips. This is the Extreme Matte Liquid Lipstick and this is in Pavlova. Do be really freaking fair. This is called Extreme Matte, but it's not as trying on my lips as, for example, Kylie Cosmetics liquid lipsticks. This is really light for an Extreme Matte lipstick. And this is a real pop of spring as well, as you can see. Just goes for spring. So in general, I think when you're looking for a spring look, just choose some key elements and make the look around it. And now, do the highlighter. First you're gonna look at it, it's pretty, it's okay, but then we're gonna take the brush and we're gonna make it wet. Tap, 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 because what is spring without a highlighter? No spring at all then. Nose, Cupid's bow, and chin a little bit, and forehead a little bit, and yeah. Okay, so I am finished with my spring look. Really easy to recreate. Just do some pop of color under your eye, some pop of color on your cheeks as a blush, and some pop of color on your lips, of course, because spring is the time to fall in love, so we gotta keep our lips really attractive. And if you like this look, then please give a big thumbs up, do this video, and also don't forget to subscribe. This is really important for me, and I'm so happy that you spent some time with me, and I'll see you all in my next video. Mwah! Bye!